Well, you still had to wrap this up. We got some amazing products for it, too, man. You want to kick us off?
Yeah, so Tom is constantly on the road, right? He's doing a lot of training, a lot of detailing, cleaning cars. So we wanted to get him, hooked up with stuff that would really kind of enhance that whole lifestyle.
Yeah. I know. I noticed when I ordered parts, you're a little bit worried. And then you saw WeatherTech was like, I get it.
I totally get it, man. Good call. Good call.
No
All
way.
right, so the floor liners, we know them. They're awesome.
Yeah.
Great for when you're coming up, washing a car, your feet are all wet. Man, just keeps it all contained.
Yeah.
So we got the trunk liner, we got the front liners to go with it. So all his carpet surfaces are totally protected from them soggy shoes.
Dude, both of us have kids, young kids. Tell me how handy this would be. Terry cloth seat cover. And it's super easy to fit on, man. These fit down in the bosses. And again, you just throw it on when you need it, take it off when you don't, but this is big time protection.
All you gym rats,
It's comfortable,
going to the gym,
man.
sauna, yoga. All right, speaking of seats, we've got the car cushion. Now, this is an extra layer of cushion for those long drives. It's great because it just sits on there and it's a 3D molded, it's not cheap stamped foam.
Nice.
So it's gonna last, it's super comfortable. You can see the thickness on it. And for a guy like that, man, he's on his knees, he's cleaning stuff.
Sure.
Man, you can kind of pull it out and use it to protect the knees on the hard concrete
Yeah.
or whatever. So super simple way to make those long trips a little more enjoyable.
Yeah, no doubt, man. Got him tricked out with WeatherTech. You guys, you know the plan, man. WeatherTech, ultimate protection inside the car. Now we got protection on the outside, on the inside. We're good to go.
That's right. Square deal.